What's the meaning of bandobast? Bandobast. Bandobast.
Bandobast. Bandobast. Bandobast is a term commonly used in India to refer to the act of organizing and managing things systematically. Sourced from the Hindi language, it has several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. It can refer to a police arrangement, an administrative system, or even a musical event. Often used in official settings, bandobast is associated with putting things in order and making sure that everything runs smoothly. It is sometimes also used to describe a state of preparedness or readiness. Overall, it is a versatile term that is widely used in Indian society to convey the importance of planning and management.